This is the Eagle R2B2 robotic pallet wrapper. I'm going to do a quick video showing how the machine operates and runs. At the beginning of the day or anytime the machine is not in use, we do suggest the machine be plugged in to be charged. So because we're going to use it, I am going to unplug the standard power cable. It has a key. Put the machine to the on position. You'll notice that the display is powering on. The machine is initializing. You notice we have a battery indicator light showing that we do have a full charge. This does take a couple seconds for the screen to power on. Once it comes to the warning screen, we will hit the accept button. Now before the machine can move on its own power, using the controls, you will have to hit the auto run button. Because the machine was just powered on, it needs to be reset, which it's telling us here, reset required. Blue button, as I hit this, shows us that the machine is now ready to run. Now a very important thing of this machine is this lock release cable. Anytime the machine is in a resting state and the controls are pulled to the left, before you can pull this in and out, you do need to squeeze that trigger in and release it. Not doing so can damage the machine. John's going to go ahead and show us how the machine operates. Let me hit reset. The ultimate goal is to position the machine in a way that as it does start its cycle, the wheel will make contact with the load as it rounds the first corner. For this test, I think we're just using standard 80 gauge film. Green button there on the control panel does start the machine. All of your parameters are adjustable. For top and bottom wraps, the machine does have a photo eye sensor integrated into the film carriage, which will detect the top of the load. You'll notice as the machine rotates, there's a round bar extending off the front on the bottom. That is a safety plate. So if the machine were to run into something, or maybe the operator's foot hits it, the machine will immediately come to a halt. The machine is currently running at about 85% speed. It can go a little quicker. Once the machine is done with the wrap process, it will come to a stop. The operator will have to remove the film. And just like when we started, before you can move the machine away, you do need to release the brake. You'll hear it click. You are then free to move the machine. Nice and tight load.